Now, you may be thinking something is only worth what someone else is willing to pay for it, so this is complete rubbish. And bear with me as I'll come on to that later in the video. But for now, say you have a solar system and you come to sell the house. Well, the concept behind this is very similar to selling a business. Just as you show the value of the future profits of the business to the buyer, you show the value of the future profits of the solar system to the new homeowner. Let me give you a case study. In 2010, when Spirit Energy was founded by my mum, one of the first things she did was install solar on our house in Reading. We then moved house in 2012. As part of the negotiations, my parents, who both happen to be accountants, were able to show the buyer the future benefit that they would get from the solar system, and a forecast for the value of the electricity they wouldn't have to buy from the grid as a result. The buyer understood that by purchasing a house with solar, they were buying 25 years worth of electricity up front, and could trust that a certain portion of their electricity bill would be covered by the solar system. They were happy to pay more for the house as a result. The concept is the same for commercial buildings. Spirit Energy installed solar on the roof of our building in Reading in 2023. If we come to sell the building in the next 30 years, we'll show the buyer the value of the future profits from the solar system and look to add value to the building as a result. If you'd like to ask my dad any questions about this in person, he'll be very happy to have the discussion. Just drop me an email at toxy@spiritenergy.co.uk and I'll put you in touch with him.